In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update profile information in ClickUp. Whether you're looking to change your name, update your email address, or set a stronger password, keeping your profile information current is an important part of managing your ClickUp account. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can quickly and easily make the changes you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently update your profile details and ensure your account is up to date. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you usually log in with an option like Google, Facebook, or another single sign-on method, simply use that to access your account. If your account is set up with multi-factor authentication, make sure to complete that step when prompted. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen there. You'll see your profile avatar or your initials. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. On the settings page, make sure you're on the My Settings tab. If you're not already there, you can switch to it by checking the top navigation bar or the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you're on the correct tab, scroll down or look for the section labeled Profile. In the Profile section, you'll have the option to update your full name, email address, or password. Let's go through each of these options so you know exactly what to do. If you want to change your full name, simply edit the name field. This name will appear in places like task assignees, comments, and notifications across ClickUp, so make sure it's updated to your preference. To update your email address, enter the new email you want to use. After doing this, ClickUp will send a verification email to the new address. Make sure to check your inbox, open the email, and follow the instructions to confirm your new email address. If you need to change your password, start by entering your current password. Then, create a strong new password and save it. A strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. Once you've made all the changes you need, don't forget to click Save Changes. This step is crucial to ensure your updates are applied. After saving, look for a confirmation message or banner on the screen. This will let you know that your updates were successful. If you updated your email address, remember to complete the verification process by checking your inbox and following the link provided in the email. Without this step, your new email address won't be fully updated in your account. Finally, to ensure everything is working as expected, refresh the page or sign out of your account and sign back in. This will confirm that your changes have been reflected throughout your ClickUp workspace. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your tasks today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.